How long is the crust? And how big is the actual slice? Today, we are visualizing circular math. First up, arc length. Think of this as just the distance along the curved edge. It is simply a fraction of the circle's full circumference. For example, if a 2.5-meter pendulum swings 90 degrees, the tip travels exactly 3.93 meters. Or, if you grab a massive 150-degree pizza slice, you are eating about 6.5 inches of crust. But what about the space inside? That is sector area. Instead of the edge, it is a fraction of the total area of the circle. So, the actual amount of food in the standard 60-degree slice? 3.27 square inches. And if your windshield wiper sweeps 240 degrees, it clears just over 13 square units of glass. Math is easier when you can see it. Like and subscribe for more.